How do you fix PS5 SharePlay voice chat problems? Imagine trying to enjoy a game with friends and, suddenly, the voice chat cuts out or becomes distorted. Frustrating, isn't it? Voice chat issues during SharePlay can disrupt the gaming experience, but understanding the underlying causes can help you resolve these problems efficiently. First, ensure that your PlayStation 5 system software is up to date. Sony regularly releases updates that fix bugs and improve system stability, including voice chat functionalities. To check for updates, go to the Settings menu, select System Software Update, and follow the prompts. Keeping your console current is a crucial step in troubleshooting. Next, verify that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient bandwidth. Voice chat relies heavily on a strong network connection. Use a wired Ethernet connection if possible, as it offers more stability than Wi-Fi. If you are using Wi-Fi, try to minimize interference by reducing the number of devices connected to your network or moving closer to your router. You can also run a network speed test on your console to confirm your upload and download speeds meet the recommended requirements for online gaming and voice chat. Another important aspect is the audio settings on your PlayStation 5. Navigate to the sound settings and confirm that the input and output devices are correctly configured. If you are using a headset, ensure it is properly plugged in and recognized by the console. Adjust the microphone level and output device settings to optimize voice clarity. Sometimes, selecting the default communication device or resetting audio settings can resolve issues. Check the privacy and voice chat settings within the system and game-specific menus. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that your privacy settings do not restrict communication with friends or players outside your friends list. Adjust these settings to allow voice chat with all players involved in SharePlay. If the problem persists, consider restarting your console and router. Power off the PlayStation 5 completely and plug it from the power source for a few minutes, then turn it back on. Do the same with your router to refresh your network connection. This simple step can resolve temporary glitches affecting voice chat. Finally, if you are using third-party audio devices or headsets, ensure they are compatible with PlayStation 5 and have the latest firmware updates. Sometimes, outdated device firmware can cause audio issues during SharePlay. By systematically checking your system updates, network stability, audio configurations, privacy settings, and hardware compatibility, you can effectively troubleshoot and fix voice chat problems during SharePlay on your PlayStation 5. Patience and attention to detail are key to restoring seamless communication with your gaming friends.